with the new conference centre has already commenced construction, commenced in May of this year, and will be completed in phased completion from October of 2015 through to February of 2016. The entire development will consist of the conference centre, which will have delegate seating up to 1,100 in the main halls, 220 in the business centres, and 500 in a mixed-use, more banqueting geared type of venue with all the adequate back of house. There will be 1,350 parking bays, structured parking bays on site, and the rest of the development will consist of the Century City Urban Square, an all-important central gravitational point for our very busy business district. And around that are 9,000 square meters of offices in our single Apex building. And then in the mixed-use building, we will have a further 4,000 square meters of offices, 54 apartments, 2,000 square meters of showroom type retail, and a 125-bed hotel. Our research indicated that there was a gap in the market between what was being traditionally provided at the 300 to 400 delegate size and where the CTICC effectively took over in respect of daily conference packages and the larger conferences. The CTICC have answered their mandate absolutely magnificently over the last 10 years and have largely been responsible for positioning Cape Town in nearly the top 50 conference destinations in the world. For that position to be maintained, we need to continue growing conference venues in the city. That will be done by the CTICC's next phases, but certainly we believe that we are fulfilling our role in answering that shortfall in the market. Yeah, I think some of the challenges that we have, particularly around this development, was to respond to the surrounding context. How do you maintain the buildings in similar type of massing without making it feel impersonal? And Century City is in an environment where there is a lot of wind, and we had to address wind challenges, hence massing up the buildings around our square, whilst still bringing in some of the glorious sunshine and maintaining some of the views of the mountain. All of that was factored into what we did on this project. I think the most important factor of this development, and what we would hope visitors to the scheme would remember, is the holistic nature of the scheme. We would not have fulfilled our goals if people went away and just remembered it as a conference centre or just remembered it as an hotel, but rather that everything has this common thread called our Century City Urban Square, which locks all of these usages and the surrounding precinct into this tight focal area.